No choke. No choke. There you go.
Do it. Woo! Whoa, fire!
Right.
Fire!
Right.
I got it.
Got it out?
Yeah! Where's that fire extinguisher?
No, you can't spray that shit. You just have to block this off.
Don't lose a finger.
Set it up.